income. All set, gates open, they're up and racing. We have entry number 5, Golden Angge. Discovery Peak is by the rail, Furiously Eager. Gross income moving up on the outside together with Aras. Is Slingshot Effect comes next as they pass the half-mile pole. Now we have gross income from the outside, takes up the running over Golden Angge. Furiously Eager is Slingshot Effect now catching the third spot on the outside. Aras is racing in peep as they rounded the last 600 and working towards the last 450. Gross income by about 2 lengths, followed now by Slingshot Effect. Golden Angge, Furiously Eager by the rail and on the outside Aras, and down the stretch they come. Gross income by about 4 lengths now is Slingshot Effect. Aras moving up by the rail with 150 to go. It's gross income, too classy for race number 6. Second, Aras is Slingshot Effect. Took third, then comes Durango and Furiously Eager for your Pentafecta.
1097, ano pa ba?
1097.